They not like us. They not like us. They not that fucking bull. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not that fucking bull. That fucking bull. Hey, put the roll.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to another meal prep video. It's Monday, it's not Sunday. Yesterday was my baby's birthday, so I didn't have time to do no meal prep. But anyway, this week we're doing smothered chicken tenders and cauliflower rice and broccoli. And I haven't decided on the second meal. The second meal I'm gonna have to cook tomorrow, but more than likely it's gonna be I want to try this cabbage bowl everybody keep doing. So I'm going to have a cabbage bowl with maybe some shrimp in it. I don't really know yet. I'm going to get that together. But for right now, we're going to meal prep the smothered chicken. And as usual, I'm going to show you all the calories. So we're going to do 1 cup of this, which is 20 calories, 4 carbs, and 2 grams of protein. The broccoli, 30 calories. We're going to do 1 cup, maybe 2 cups. I haven't really decided yet. 5 grams of carbs and 3 grams of protein. Now y'all so mad because I made this smothered chicken, but I put too much chicken broth in it. So it's not thick like I wanted it to be, but it's still good. And since I don't have a second meal, I'm gonna eat this twice today. And for the Campbell's, for a half a cup, it's 70 calories. 9 carbs and 2 grams of protein. But that's it for now. Till tomorrow, to be continued. So that's pretty much it for this meal prep. I'm gonna put all of the macros in, in my carb manager app, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow for the second meal prep, which is gonna be the cabbage. More than likely it's gonna be the cabbage bowls because they just look so good, and I love cabbage, so why not?
macros for our meal prep. We didn't hit our protein goals, nor did we hit our calories. I usually aim for 1,600 calories. I never do the 2,000 calories. And the reason being is because I end up not doing the cabbage bowls. I end up just doing watermelon for my second meal. So that's why the calories are low. It's not ideal, but I mean, it is what it is. It still was a good week. We didn't overeat. And we still had energy to do our workouts to burn these calories. But that's it, and that's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. With that, your girl is out.